In this video, I'm going to show you how to order a physical Revolut card. And in order to start, you need to have an account. And if you don't have an account yet, then check the link in the description. I'll put a link there where you can get started in Revolut for free. So to start off, we are going to click on the top right card icon. And in here, we're going to click on the bottom Add New button. And right now we can choose if you want a physical, virtual, or a single use card. And we want a physical card. So we're going to click on physical. In here, you can choose between the various cards that Revolut is offering. We have the standard one, the Ultra Platinum, the Metal Black, the Premium, the Plus, and the Special Edition 24K Gold Plated card. And in order to buy these special cards, you need to have some plans. So let's say you want the Ultra card, you need an Ultra plan, and that requires an upgrade. But I'm going with the regular or the standard card, and this one is €8, and it is a delivery fee. So let's say we want this card, then we click on Get Card. You can also choose to customize the card for an additional €4. So let's say I want to add this leaf to my card, and I want to put it in here. Then this will cost me an additional €4. And to make this final, you're basically going to click on Preview. This is what it will look like. And right now I'm not going to add the personalization, so I'm just going to click on Don't Add. In this screen, you need to create a PIN, and after you've done this, you will be redirected to the next screen. In this screen, you need to fill in a delivery address, and after you've done that, you're going to click on Done at the bottom, and then you will be redirected to a pay screen where you can pay for your card, and then it will be delivered to your address. And that is how to order a physical Revolut card step by step. So if this video helped you out, please leave a like and consider subscribing, and then I see you in the next one.